here only focus is to make you understand the topics, the things that can help you to score good marks in JEE. So our main focus is there only. So if you are not comfortable with any topic taught by any of the teacher, you can attend that particular topic when some other teacher, other faculty member will teach you. This is one of the most important key aspect, I would say. This is one of the key aspect that ETTCS is having, and we'll be sharing all the study materials and the references to you guys, because we have done all the research work during our time. Currently there are many resources, there are lots of resources from where you can study, but the thing is, you have the time constraint. You cannot study all the things, and you can study all the things, but you cannot study all the things from everywhere. You can study all the things from one place, you can study all the things from two places, but you cannot study all the things, chapters from everywhere. So this is the importance of it joining ETDCS. Like, we will be providing you the study materials and all the references, and from where you have to study that particular topic to get very much, I guess I should say, uh, touch the perfection level in that particular. And we will not be teaching, we'll not only be teaching you too fast, we'll not teach you too fast, we'll not even teach you too slow, but the ETTCS faculties will teach you in the speed in which you grasp the things, in which you understand the things. So this is the most important part, because there are instances when students feel that some of the topics has been left out, or जैसे हम लोग बोलते थे कि यार कोटा में थे, we used to say टीचर ने उड़ा दिया. So what we meant to say when we say उड़ा दिया, it means that particular teacher is not good in that particular topic, so उसने बहुत जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ा दिया. So students didn't got it, and even the students are weak in that particular topic, which affects their JEE marks, and their rank ultimately got affected due to that. So here we'll make sure that we'll be teaching you in the speed in which you understand, and only the specialist topic or specialist faculty of that particular topic will be teaching you. Now, what are the best part of one more best part of ETDCS is faculties are available for you guys for 24/7. Like, faculties are available for 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. I should say 24/7 they are available for you guys. And if someone is doing some questions from any of the source in which we want, other than first completing our homework that we'll be giving you, if you are still left with the time, then you can do some other questions. If you are finding any difficulty in those particular questions, then you can send us over the WhatsApp or anywhere you want, like anytime you want to share those questions with us. We'll be solving those questions and sending to you guys, so that it will be beneficial for you, and you won't be have to wait for too long for your doubts to get cleared. So these are some of the things that I wanted to discuss with uh, the upcoming students or upcoming aspirants of JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and NEET as well. So that's all. Thank you so much, and join ETDCS as soon as you can. Thank you.